I think I messed up by not sharing this amazing chickpea curry recipe with you sooner. So, let's get started. Just click on the description for the list of ingredients. Now let's make our spice blend. Toast cumin, coriander, fennel, mustard seeds, and peppercorns till fragrant. Grind them up with turmeric and paprika. Boom! Fresh spices ready. Now, heat up some oil and sauté chopped onions till golden. Add minced garlic, grated ginger, and an optional green chili. When it's all fragrant, toss in your chopped tomatoes and cook till they break down. Time to build our curry. Stir in your spice blend, then add chopped carrots and green bell pepper. Mix in chickpeas and coconut milk, and let it all simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. For the final touches, season with salt, a pinch of sugar, and a squeeze of lemon or lime. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve it over steamed rice, quinoa, or homemade naan bread. Directions follow, and enjoy your creamy veggie-packed chickpea curry. Easy, eh? Okay, here's a special treat. Let's add the perfect companion to our delicious chickpea curry. Homemade naan bread. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think, although you'll want to make this before you start the curry. First, in a large bowl, mix together flour, baking powder, salt, and a bit of sugar. In a separate bowl, combine warm water with yeast and a touch of honey. Let it sit until it's frothy. Then, mix the wet ingredients into the dry, and knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rise for about an hour, or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has risen, divide it into small balls and roll them out into flat, oval shapes. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat, and cook each piece until bubbles form on the surface and the underside is golden brown. Flip and cook the other side. Brush with melted butter and sprinkle with chopped garlic and fresh cilantro. There you have it. Soft, fluffy naan bread that's perfect for scooping up that rich, flavorful chickpea curry. Enjoy your meal.